Here's Jesse. It won't fit over my head. Oh wait, it comes apart.
Hi guys, it's Mile After Mile. Like I said on the last video, I might take over. And it looks like I have. That you will laugh.
With your wine.
With my wine, yeah. I guess we're gonna do, I decided a while back that I wanted to try one product. And I had seen ads on Facebook. Well, I have seen ads on Facebook for a while. And I had seen this product maybe like a year or 2 years back. I can't remember. And I thought maybe I can give it a try. But I never looked into it. And so maybe like a month ago, or yeah, like a month ago, I was just sitting down and all of a sudden this ad started popping up on Facebook and Instagram, and then I decided that maybe it was a sign for me to try it. And the product I'm talking about helps out one of the things that I've been struggling for a long time, which is my posture. Like, if I usually work at the computer, or not usually, I work at the computer at least 8 hours a day, sometimes more, depending. Plus, if we're doing other stuff like checking Instagram or Facebook and all that stuff, I'm always like slouching. So I wanted to try something to help me with it, because I want to say about 5 years back, I bought a little thing that helped me pull my chest, my shoulders back, but that was crap. So fast forward to now, my posture's even getting worse because obviously age and, well, let's just not talk about age. But the product that I'm talking about is the Upright, and I believe they came out with the first generation like a year or 2 years back, which is when I first saw it, and I never looked into it. And like I said, about a month ago, it was popping up everywhere, so I started reading about it and looking up at reviews and all that stuff. And some people say, like, you really got to stick to it or else it won't work. Other people say it's not a product that they would recommend, and others are like, hey, it's great, get it. And so instead of just keep doing research and getting mixed reviews, I decided to get the product myself. And about 7 days ago, I placed the order, and I got a code because it was Valentine's Day. So it was a gift from me to myself, because I love myself so much that I got the code. So I got 10% off, and I order it, and here it is. So I'm going to open it to see what everything comes in here, and I'm gonna try it. So then I probably have a follow-up video of a review of this product. So let's get into opening and see what it all comes with. Oh shit. I guess I don't have to open it perfectly. Okay, let's see. And let me go back. So there's two options. Like, you can get the Upright, like the little thing with only strips, like adhesive strips that go on the back of your neck. Like, if you see, I don't know if you can see it here, but it goes on the back of your neck, like on your spine. But then there's also the option of having a necklace. So I decided to go with the necklace because just the thing with the few adhesives, it's like $99. With the necklace, you get like $109. Well, I'll put somewhere around here how much I pay for it. So, okay, so let's get into it. Let's open the necklace first. You can tell that I'm a newbie at unboxing. I've seen all these people on Amazon, and they look so professional, and I'm like, what? Okay, so here's the necklace. And it comes, okay. So it comes with instructions. Remove the old adhesive from the back of your go. Okay, so it comes with the necklace, and I guess you plug it in here. So here's the necklace, the instructions. So let's get into it and open it. Oh, so there's an app for it. Nice to know. How do you open this thing? Okay. Okay, there's a little sticker right there that you gotta pull through. Get my scissors. My pre-K scissors. Never graduated. Okay. Oh shoot. Huh. I thought it was gonna be smaller. Oh wait. So this box opens. Oh, I got this whole thing went in the back of my head. I'm like, man, I might as well just wear a TV in the back of my neck. Okay, so looks like these are the adhesives. You can see, come in here. And then here's the little thing. And it, oh, and it already comes with one. So I guess you take it off and when you're ready to take it. Gosh darn it. So let me put it back. It comes with the charger. I guess I gotta find out if it's charged. It comes with the guide. Alcohol prep pads. I guess you can clean yourself in the back before you apply it. And there's 2 little packs of adhesives. It's pretty cool. That then it comes with an adhesive remove tool. Oh god, I hope I don't have to use that. Okay. So that's that. And this is everything that comes with it. So now I gotta sit down and read the instructions, but I mean, for the price, so far, I think it's good. I mean, you get the little thing, and the case was really nice, so you can put it back in there if you're going to sleep or you're taking a break. And then the neck, I do like it, especially because I work from home or I work on the road when during travel, so I could actually wear this thing. But I think it's kind of small for my head. But I guess I got a big head and big ears too. So I guess it would work. Cause then you can switch it around and try to make it work. Oh god. Oh, it comes apart. That's why I need to read the instruction. Oh, that's pretty cool. Just forget that my head's big. Okay, so from what I've read is that you're supposed to wear this. They'll train you for 14 days. And you download the application. I'm going to cut this video short here, because I think I will follow up on this with the setup of the upright go and process of the 2 weeks on how I'm doing as far as training, because they say for the 2 weeks, it's like training your muscles. It's like if you're going for a run for a mile, or if you want to do a 5K in a month. So you got to start with half a mile for the first week and then move up to a mile and so on. So basically training your muscles to stay upright. So I will cut this short and I will follow up with the setup of the whole thing and an update on 2 weeks. I'll see you until next time, and hope you keep watching, and hopefully I didn't get you lost. Bye.